Hi, I'm Pratik Alix here.
I'm Ali Ramos, and this is our 385 final project. So what it is we based it off of
Microsoft Paint.
yep.
So we made our own hardware implementation of Microsoft Paint. So what we did was we took the Lab 8 code and made some significant modifications to it to allow for us to write to display. In order to do that, we implemented SRAM read and write to hold the entire draw space. So the entire white screen's constantly being read and written to based on mouse input. As well as we implemented some additional logic to make sure that we couldn't draw outside of just the draw space. It could be like click outside of it. So like you can't draw there, and it picks a neutral color so that if you are if you're trying to pick between a color there, you can see it without any visual difficulty. On top of that, we also remapped, instead of using 24 bits to hold RGB, we used our own 4-bit encoding, and then had decoders and encoders constantly decode and encode based on what pixel position or SRAM values we're at. And then one of the things we weren't really expecting, but ended up being really cool is I believe it's like an issue with our SRAM addressing, but it ended up being again like really cool is that it draws simultaneously 4 things at the same time,
Which is a really great feature.
Yeah, it was definitely something that we had anticipated, but it ended up being. Honestly, I think it ended up making it a lot better because it really adds a lot more to the picture. In addition, we also added some modifications to the cursor to better handle color changes, as well as we had some stuff ready for size, but we were having a little bit of issue with getting SRAM to read write.
And our state machine was kind of where we ran into a lot of issues.
Yeah.
So what we ended up doing is we mapped our mouse to handle several different of the important things. For example, erasing. So we handle the mouse clicks, or to control the type of color that's being produced on the screen. So you can see that if you make a mistake, you can start erasing in like the middle of it, and it'll take it away for you.
Let's see, yep, and then we have logic established for like size and some of the other colors based on mouse input, but again, due to the issues with state machine logic, we weren't able to fully flush those out.
And a lot of our logic currently is decoding palette values.
Yeah, so we basically have like a parameter lookup table for different, like for all 16 of these colors. This would be like this would be 0 and this would be 15 on our lookup table, so it goes across and down. So we essentially just mapped mouse input to certain colors to draw to display.
Okay, awesome guys, thank you.